Good morning all of you, my name is Sanjana and today I am going to show you one question which is come from a B.Ed CET that is on 2024 March. Already done, this paper is already done and I also give this paper. So we have to see the one question from the mental ability. Okay, let's go. So the first we have to see the first series. Okay, how many series are there? Okay, so this is 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. So total 5 series are there. So we have to put one by one these options in the fill in the blanks and we can see this which series is similar, and if all series are similar, that time we can say the option is correct. Okay, so now first option is A, B, B. So A, we can put here A and B. Next series is A, and the third same as it is. Fourth one is B, A, B, and fifth one is A, B. Yes, did you see here the series? If this is same, no. So it does it's like different series. Okay, this is also a different, this is also a different, this is also a different, this is also a different. So this option is, we can eliminate this because this option is incorrect. Now go for second option. Second option is A, B. So we have to put A, B in this fill in the blanks. A, B, A, B, and the last one is B. So A, B. Will you see these? They all are same. This same, this same, this same, this same. But this is different. So we can also eliminate this option. Now two options are remaining. So we have to see one of these two options. One is our correct answer. Third one, A, B, A. Okay. So also we have to put this option also in this fill in the blanks. A, B, B, and B, A. Yes, this same, this is same, this series is also same, but this series is different. Okay, so this option is also incorrect and we can eliminate this option. Now the fourth one is very last one, A, B. Okay, now this is also our answer. Okay, why this is our answer? This is our answer because these all three options we can eliminate. But for your understanding, I have to explain this why this is our answer. So we solve this. Okay, you can put A, B, and the second letter is B. Also we can put here B. One. Second series is complete. Now the third one is already done.